Hey guys, so we're just out here. We're trying to catch some trout at this pond that supposedly has trout, but there's just a ton of goldfish. So we're just going YOLO and trying to catch some goldfish. I mean, I prefer to catch trout, but there's just too many goldfish. And Mario just got a nibble of a goldfish. Mario, tell them about how you got nibbled by a goldfish.
Yeah, there's a goldfish straight out here if you can see it, and that's pretty interesting. Oh, you're filming selfie.
All right, let's go. So
yeah, there's a goldfish right there. And,
hopefully we get one.
Swimming towards my thing.
I'll update you guys if we catch one.
So guys, George just had a bite. We have my line out right about there. You can see it, and there's goldfish jumping everywhere. A goldfish just jumped right next to my bobber. So yeah, George had the first fully underwater nibble or bite. Yeah, it was more of a bite, but we have crappie magnets and crappie nibbles on right now, and we just saw a pretty nice trout jump in the middle of here. We came here to look for trout and bass, and we've just seen a lot of these like a lot of frogs and a lot of these goldfish. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted if we catch anything. So guys, we're at this spot and there's tons of just like big goldfish here. So I have my line casted out right about there and George's bobber right here. If I can find one,
I had one on too.
Yeah, George had one on, and
like 12 inches.
Oh yeah, like a 15 pounder, bro. It was insane.
There's one right by my corner. Maybe we try. Oh, there's tons right here.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but they just left. Like, how did you not
see? There's one of the goldfish.
Didn't even try to eat my worm either. I mean, my worm, like corn.
Look, there's a big one right there.
Where?
It just swam under this way.
Bro.
I don't know if you saw it on camera, but yeah, this is what we're working with. It's pretty bad. Yeah, this is our first time here, and we did not know about all of this weeds. There's another one right there. There's a decent one over here, George. Yeah. There's another one right there. There's a big one right there.
Got him.
Cash right in there.
Oh.
Right there, dude. It's right there.
Oh, I didn't even know. Notice. They swim away because you didn't show them the water. It's all your fault.
There's one right here. They're back here.
No, there's tons right here too. There's 3. Oh, it's like little black minnows in there. It's not a bullhead, it's like a little black minnow. I'm trying to eat it. Maybe if I set my bobber deeper, like kind of like the minnow. Maybe. Just maybe.
Oh, my bait's off.
Really?
Yeah.
Get new crappie nibbles and chum the water. Got one.
Boys, he's finally got one hooked.
You got one. Got him.
Bruh.
Dude, oh, it's dead. It's completely dead. He ate it. Oh no, it's kind of right there. Dude, I don't want to touch it.
We have to kill it. You want me to do it?
Oh no, I don't care if you kill it. We have to.
I'll do it. I'll take the thing out. Give me.
Yeah.
Hold this for me.
Wait, I'll film it.
Okay.
Dude.
All right. Do I just grab it like this?
No, I mean I could do it. I got it. I've got it, bro.
You want to do it?
I want to do it.
All right. Yeah, it's your fish.
I'll do it. All right, dude. You need to chill the freaking heck out, dude. Oh, this is kind of nasty though. This goldfish is kind of nasty, but it's pretty big.
Just do it. I mean, you can wash your hands.
Yeah. Dude.
Boys hooked up on one.
Dude,
it's so bad. We came to this pond to try and catch some bass and some trout, and ended up catching a freaking goldfish.
What a fish! What a giant fish. Dude, what the heck? This isn't working because.
Do you have a pliers or something?
Oh yeah, I do have pliers. Oh! Did he unhook himself?
The freaking
Hook's still there?
yeah.
Alright. I've got pliers in one of these tackle boxes. Oh, I've got one right down here.
Hook is right in the upper roof of his mouth. Here.
Yeah. Alright. Oh crap, just set it down. This is tragic. They survived so long.
They're tanks, bro.
Yeah, tanks. Absolute tanks. This is not easy.
Right as your mom came to.
Dude, yeah.
Right up there.
Unhooked him.
You did?
I got my hook back.
Alright, hold them up for everyone.
This is just a freaking slab. This is my PB goldfish.
Bro, alright, let's get the release on this.
We're not releasing it. Don't we have to kill it?
Oh yeah, I think we do. Alright.